As the months and the weeks draw closer, we are eagerly awaiting and excited for the full official announcement of the Galaxy S22 series, which rumored is meant to be coming sometime around February 2022, consisting of the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. Now, due to the natural way popularity contests go, we're expecting the Galaxy S22 Ultra to be the one that gets the most attention, especially what could be a major redesign when it comes to things like having an embedded S Pen, which is much like our beloved Note series from before. That doesn't leave out the base model Galaxy S22, because rumor says we could see a surprise new design edition that finally brings back the premium level the base model S series was missing after our experience with the Galaxy S21. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's what could be coming to the Galaxy S22, making it more premium. If we do a quick brief recap on both the Galaxy S20 and S21, as we do have it in hand right now as of the time of this recording, for the year 2020, we did have the Galaxy S20 as the base model out of the three S series devices, which included the S20 Plus, the S20 Ultra, minus the S20 FE. It consisted of a 6.2-inch display with Gorilla Glass 6 at the front and the back, and an aluminium frame, IP68 water and dust resistance, of course, micro SD card support, a charger in the box with earphones in the box as well, the Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 990, and a dynamic AMOLED display with support for QHD 60Hz or full high definition 1080p 120Hz. The S20 as a base model S series flagship was not only nice and compact, but packed a nice punch for the specs and the hardware available. Save the general feedback on not having a matte finish at the back compared to glossy, and also the display not having an option of QHD and 120Hz at the same time. The Galaxy S20 was considered a great base model compact flagship. Then a year later, in 2021, saw the successor, the Galaxy S21. We have right now, as you can see, which for good reason did stir up a lot of controversy, as it looked like Samsung made a lot of major cutbacks on the hardware compared to the previously mentioned Galaxy S20. Yes, we saw the use of the latest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for the front glass, but the rear Samsung opted to use a plastic back instead of glass. This is, of course, some of the highest quality glass that we've seen used in any smartphone, and also the fact that Samsung actually finished it off in a nice matte finish, pretty much most of the time kind of made you forget that it was even plastic. Let's add to the fact that the micro SD card slot was actually taken away, and the display, although finally using an adaptive LTPO refresh rate between 48Hz and 120Hz for better battery management and efficiency, it was only limited to 1080p with no QHD option to be seen, like what we had with the Galaxy S20. Now, all these cutbacks did come with a major price drop for the starting price of the Galaxy S21, which was very welcome and even made us question if we even needed the Galaxy S21 FE with how well priced the S21 was. But based on the principles of what a flagship S series device should be, the Galaxy S21 seemed like a massive step down from before, even with the price drop included or not. This then brings us to the upcoming Galaxy S22. As of this recording on the 20th of December 2021, the latest reported rumors are stating that Samsung will be bringing back the premium all-glass design for the base model Galaxy S22, moving away from the previous use of plastic from the Galaxy S21 we experienced. Now, we do understand that most users will opt to use a case on their phones for protection, but if rumors are true, then this is a sign that Samsung are heading back in the right direction. Let's hope more things make a return and improve on the upcoming base model Galaxy S22 in the coming weeks ahead into 2022. Let us know in the comment section below what you are excited to see in the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. Now, for the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.